Hello guys, this is a quick review of another perfume. It's an editor perfume from Salvatore Ferragamo. I'm not sure how will I read this right. If it's Signorina or Signorina, please correct me guys. Comment down below, okay? This perfume is a 100 ml bottle and it's made in Italy. Guys, isa sa mga favorite ko. This is my third bottle. Parang yung isang perfume ko din, nakailang bottle na ako. Yun nga lang, mas marami akong stock nun kasi, huling stock na yun. This one still available online. When I first bought it, it's like less than 30 pounds. But recently, when I search it online, it's nearly 50 quid. And, naku, may extra. Hello, baby! You want my perfume? Mag-istorbo na naman yun eh. Anyway, yes, every time I use this, ang daming nakaka-appreciate. It's very light and flowery scent. Isa sa mga favorite ko yun, yung mga light tsaka flowery. Tsaka yung mga powdery, mga ganun na mga perfume ko eh. And ang lakas maka-fresh. And again, as always, lagi ko sinasabi, use a perfume kapag bagong ligo. Mas na-enhance yung amoy nung perfume. So, yun lang guys. Ang rate ko dito is 8/10. Nasabi ko na ba? Yes, 8/10. Ayun lang guys. Again, please comment down below. And subscribe. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Marcelita from UK. Love you guys. God bless you all.